Take off my outfit. Take it off. Let's go. Now first is over here. I forgot to do this. I thought this was gone, but it's over here. First is collect. Don't it is collect. Now let's go. There's too many, so let's do 3 times. No, just 3 times. Oh my god! Okay, it's done! Let's go. But it's so bad because my outfit is so small. My outfit is not good enough. I'm the shower, now let's go, but I'm gonna take, but my mom is on my back. Let's do that now! Let's go. First is this one.
I turned out to be just fine, not to cheat every now and again. That was hard for me to admit, cause I really want to live. Really want to live. Keep fucking shit up. You can leave, I can see why you ever want to stay. No, we not forever young, we can die any day. We can fuck us enough to talk it over on a date. We can be unless we get. Nah, you ain't gotta trust me to love you, baby. You ain't gotta trust me to love you, baby. Cause I don't even trust myself.
This is for clips.
I never learned enough properly. Mommy playing street in front of volleyball. I just sabotage.